Imagine this: you've been working hard, saving up for that dream vacation or maybe a down payment on a house. You've heard about Stash, this investing app that's supposed to make investing easy and accessible. But is it really worth it? Will it actually make you money? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of Stash, let's talk about investing in general. Investing is basically putting your money to work so it can grow over time. There are different ways to invest, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. But for many people, investing can seem intimidating and complicated. That's where apps like Stash come in. Stash claims to simplify the investing process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial knowledge or experience. They offer a variety of investment options, including fractional shares, ETFs, and bundles. But is Stash really as user-friendly as they make it seem? Let's take a closer look. Key features and benefits. One of the biggest selling points of Stash is its simplicity. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for beginners. You can set up automatic investments, round up your spare change, and even invest in pre-built portfolios based on your goals. Another benefit of Stash is its low minimum investment. Unlike traditional brokerage accounts, you don't need a large sum of money to get started. This makes it a great option for people who are just starting out on their investing journey. Stash also offers educational resources to help you learn more about investing. They have articles, videos, and quizzes to teach you about different investment strategies and concepts. Potential drawbacks. While Stash has many benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. One of the biggest criticisms is its fees. Stash charges a monthly subscription fee, which can add up over time, especially if you have a small portfolio. Another potential downside is the limited investment options. While Stash offers a variety of ETFs and bundles, you may not be able to find specific stocks or bonds that you're interested in. Is Stash right for you? So, is Stash worth it? The answer depends on your individual circumstances and goals. If you're a beginner investor looking for a simple and affordable way to get started, Stash could be a good option. However, if you're a more experienced investor with specific investment needs, you may want to consider a traditional brokerage account. Stash can be a great tool for people who want to start investing or who are looking for a simplified approach to managing their finances. However, it's important to weigh the benefits and drawbacks before making a decision. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Stash is right for you is to try it out for yourself. You can sign up for a free account and explore the platform without making any commitments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.